You have it under your belt already.
Hi.
Mama, taking a bath.
Cover
He's
you up.
taking a bath. Cover the coochie. Cover the good stuff. Mama. Look at you.
Say hi, Mommy.
Say hi.
I'll make sure she's not getting cold. There you go.
You're not screaming. You're not screaming, sugar. Is it good? Uh-oh, your daddy's videotaping.
Congratulations, Becca, on your 3-year anniversary.
Look at Mama. Hey.
Ella.
Look at. Look.
Say hi, Mommy.
Look. Look.
Why am I the lame duck? Okay. I got that. I got mine.
Good spin. Yeah, good.
Don't grab that. There you go.
I'm gonna like her. She's very nice. She's very good. Solar's oriented.
Hi.
Alright. Pierce tattoos. I'm pretty sure she's pierced. Then we're gonna be able just fine.
Okay.
There's my kinds of people.
Make sure under her neck is clean.
Yeah, and then we'll nice that in her neck. Let me help you.
Did you videotape some stuff, Ma?
No.
Come here, sugar.
Battery's not even charged.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you ruined
you're
the
not.
experience. You ruined the
She's like,
experience.
I was chilling.
I was in a jacuzzi tub.
That's good.
And then we'll turn her sideways, and then you can do the back of her neck, too.
I'm gonna need the easel. Oh.
That's okay. Come here, sugar.
Good. A little butt.
Okay, get behind her ears. Yep, you hold her. And then I'll give you some Q-tips after, and you can clean just like around her ears.
Okay.
You'd be amazed at the junk that comes out of her ears. Hi, mamas. Hi, mamas.
She is chilling.
She says, this is sweet. I'm enjoying this.
Mommy, look.
Look. Look. Yeah.
Let down.
There you go.
There you go. You having fun?
Mama.
She's a good bather. Hardly anybody bathes this good.
Mama.
Nice and calm.
She is.
Your machine's coming soon. But it's only for 12 hours.
What?
But her machine's coming. There you go. Is that good, babe?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, let's get you out so you don't get cold.
Good girl.
Oh, yeah.
Say bye. Give grandma and grandpa kisses.
Okay. Okay.
All right, lift her